Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. I'm going to be opening for us tonight our Battle for Zendikar Fat Pack, which I bought at my local game store. So let's get started, shall we? So, as we know with the Fat Packs, we are getting the lovely full art land. Right, let's see, what have we got? Player's Guide. Some very good things in there. We have the poster art piece. Impossible's Crazy Glue. That's quite cool. And then, let's see, cardboard. Oop! Deck boxes go flying. And boosters. 4 arts. 2 deck boxes. Okay. That's 2 red ones I got now. Alright, now. Yeah, don't go. Okay, pack of full outlines. Keep them in there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So we'll get cracking. I'm going to show the uncommons and the rares. Any folds, of course. So let's get started. Okay. Okay, so our first one, get that in. Turn Against, Grip of Desolation, Ulamog's Despoiler, and our rare is Ruinous Path. Destroy target creature or planeswalker for 2 black and 1 thing. Very good. As I say, he's going to probably get a lot of play, I reckon. And a mountain and an ally. Okay. Then there. Right, next pack. Yeah, the 2 black mana and the 1 colourless just to destroy a target creature or a planeswalker. I mean, unless it's got indestructible, it comes in very handy. But at the same time, you can play it for Awaken for 4 extra mana, and then you get Awaken 4, which is quite good. Okay, so we have Royal's Retribution. Wait for that to focus. Core Bladewell. Ruination Guide, one of my favourite Eldrazi ones just for the boost. And our rare is Angelic Captain. Whenever Angelic Captain attacks, it gets a 1/1 until the end of turn for each other attacking ally. And we have an island and a plant token. Okay, number 3. It'd be so cool if we could find an expedition. Several guys of my pre-release found them, and I was like, oh, I so want one. Okay, Rising Masmere. Horribly Awry. Blighted Gorge. Ooh, I've not seen this one. Add 1 to mana pool. 4 and a red, sacrifice player and deals 2 damage to target creature or player. Yeah, not that good. And Garden Warden of Marissa as our Mythic. So we have a Mythic. Sweet. Oh, and a foil Calistria Nightwatch. Shiny. Okay, foil. Mythic. And Elemental Token. Right, skip. Ooh, Goblin Warpaint. I do like that Goblin Warpaint as an enchant. Especially as I'm thinking of doing a Goblin modern deck. Right, Taraju Wildcaller. Sorry, Warcaller. Herald of Kozliak. Devoid. Colour spells you cost 1 less to cast. Well, that could come in handy. Sylvan Scrying. Search your library for a land card, reveal it and put it into your hand, then shuffle the library. And Felidar Sovereign is the rare. Okay. And a mountain. And a Nixless emblem. Emblems. Getting a nice little pile collection going now. I already have one of them green ones of Marissa. So now I've got two. I don't think it's not the greatest mythic. Right. Yeah. Okay. Angel of Renewal. When it enters battlefield, gain life for each creature you control. Very good. But it's 6 mana for a 4/4. But the life gain is sweet, especially if you're playing like a blue-black life gain deck in this. Return to Kazandu. Spawning Bed. Add 1 mana. 6 and sacrifice. Put 3 colourless Eldrazi creature tokens onto your battlefield. Comes in very handy. And rare is Zada, Hedron Grinder. Legendary creature goblin ally. Whenever you cast an instant sorcery spell that targets only Zada Hedron Grinder, copy that spell for each other creature you control and that spell could target. Each copy targets a different one of those creatures. Okay. That's interesting. Especially if you'd like Titanic Growth or something, that will come in very handy. And a Scion token. I'm getting like a massive collection of Scion tokens now, but then again I'm running an Eldrazi deck and you can never have too many Scion tokens. Sure Strike, love that card, it helped me so much in my pre-release. Killsword Stalker, Sandstone Bridge, Now Master, Demon Grave. Yep. Zulaport Cutthroat. Sylvanian Shrine again. Slabhammer. Ooh, Slabhammer. Whenever a cryptic creature attacks, you may return a land you control to its own hand. If you do, then the creature gets 2/2 until the end of turn. Well, that comes in very useful for a landfall deck. Barrage Tyrant. Eldrazi, sacrifice 2 mana and a red, and sacrifice it for 5/3. Good, especially for a bit of fun if you're going to throw something like Ulamog or something like that. That'll come in very hilarious. Alright. Okay, so another Angel of Renew. Brood Monitor. Renters put 3 Eldrazi Sign creature tokens on. 6 mana for 6/6, for 6/6 because he's got the 3 tokens with it. Turn to Emeria. Radiant Flames is the rare, which is 2 colours and a red. Converge. Deals X damage to each creature where X is the number of colours spent to cast the mana. And, ooh, Plated Crusher foil. So trample, hexproof. A lot of mana, but late game comes in handy. Swamp and another Scion token. Ooh, 2 packs left. Okay. Royal's Retribution again. Oops, sorry. Void Attendant. Return to Coral Helm. Hero of Goma Fada. Human ally knight, 4 colours and a white for rally. Whenever a hero or another ally enters the battlefield, creatures you control gain indestructible. Very good for an ally deck. And a mountain and another plant token. So many plants. Last one. Come on, another mythic. Come on, Planeswalker. That's what I want. I've already got a Gideon. I want more. Ions. Drana's Emissary. Black, white, and a colourless vampire cleric ally. At the beginning of upkeep, your opponent loses 1 life and you gain a life. Very good in my opinion, especially for the life gain list. Dampening Pulse. Creature your opponent controls gets -1, -0. Okay. Ulamog's Nullifier. Devoid Flash, Flying. When Ulamog's Nullifier enters the battlefield, you may put 2 cards your opponent owns from exile into their owner's graveyards. If you do, counter target spell. Yeah, okay. And a Cinderglade for our rare. To go with the one I already have. And a Forest and an Elemental. Okay. So just to run through what I got again. And only the source. So we have Greenwater Marissa, Cinderglade, so Hero of Gomafada, Radiant Flames, Barrage Tyrant, Zada Hedron Grinder, Felidar Sovereign, Angelic Captain, Ruinous Path, and foil Plated Crusher and a foil Calistria Nightwatch. Okay, so that was my release day Fat Pack opening. I got more videos to come. There's a booster box video coming, and I believe I'm getting sent another Fat Pack. I'm not sure which one in the post by a friend of mine, so I'll see what I get. And yeah, so stay tuned, like and subscribe, leave comments below, and see you guys soon. Bye.